You're not overworked, you're just doing tasks AI already solved. Right now, professionals are spending 2 to 3 hours a day inside spreadsheets, rewriting emails, summarizing documents, building reports manually, and they think that's just part of the job. It's not. There are AI tools quietly replacing the repetitive layer of knowledge work, not by firing people, by compressing execution time. The real shift: the person using AI finishes in 1 hour, while everyone else is still formatting cells and rewriting bullet points. This isn't about replacing workers, it's about replacing friction. And the gap between those two groups is getting wider every month. If you want more breakdowns like this, tools that actually change how you work, follow for what's coming next, and share this with someone still doing everything manually. This is The Next Phase with David Elliott.